Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Surbhi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of veg Hakka noodles. This is a very simple recipe, but you have to follow each and every step very carefully, especially the measurements of all those ingredients. So let's watch. So let's start. For this I have taken a big bowl and into that I am going to boil the water. So I have taken approx 8 cups of normal mineral water and have kept it at boiling temperature on the induction gas. Into this I am going to add approx 2 tablespoon of vegetable oil and approx half tablespoon of salt. So friends, you can see it's a very important step for boiling the noodles for Hakka noodles. Now if you can observe, there is a small bubbles start coming. So now this is the perfect time to put the Hakka noodles into that. I am using Ching's Desi Hakka noodles. You can also use any other brand, but I will prefer to use Ching's Hakka noodles. So now you can see small bubbles start coming, so this is the perfect time to put the noodles into that. So don't break and just put it full like this. So I am putting here, I have taken 2 packets of Hakka noodles. So we have to keep on stirring it and also be very attentive here, because this is one of the most important step for Hakka noodles. Now how to check if the noodles is done? So just take one strip of the noodle like this and try to break it. If it got breaks a bit tight, then this is a perfect time to stop cooking. So now taking a strainer, we have to strain out this hot water from noodles, and we have to wash the noodles with cold water so that the further cooking can be stopped. So now I have taken some veggies which I am going to introduce. There are some onions cut in the round shape, some garlic, some ginger, then capsicum and carrots. So I have not used any cabbage or any other veggies. If you want, you can use that. So now here I have taken a big kadhai. If you are having a wok, very deep bottom wok, you can use that made up of iron, but please avoid any non-stick. So this we have to do on a very high temperature. So I have put here some vegetable oil. Into that, first of all, some garlics, and let garlics get a bit brown. Then I have put the onions. Because it is being cooked at a very high temperature, so please avoid any non-stick. And now I have put all the veggies. So friends, if you like spicy, you can also add some chopped green chilies. So now into this I am going to add approx 3/4 teaspoon of salt, because we are going to add some sauces also which contains salt. And in the noodles also we have added some salt, so salt you can adjust. Now into this I am going to add all the sauces. So first I am taking half tablespoon of soya sauce because it's a bit sour in taste, and then 1.5 tablespoon of green chili sauce, and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili sauce. After then we will add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato sauce and mix it together. So now at this high temperature I am going to add all those noodles and we will mix it very gently. The temperature must be at high. And very lightly, with the very light hands, we have to mix all these spices with the noodles. So now once it is mixed, you can slow down the temperature. You can see how the noodles are very much separated. It's not very sticky, and you can see these noodles are ready to go. Now there is one last step, so you must follow it to get a very pure authentic flavor. Use any white vinegar, almost half tablespoon, and mix it in the noodles and you will get very good flavor. Now I have transferred the noodles from that wok to a bowl. So you can see how the noodles are separated and it has having a very good flavor of all those veggies and the sauces which we have used. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please must like it, share it and try this, and must provide me your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.